What things do you usually see when you go to school? Do you see the changes happening around you? You use your senses to observe, describe, and learn about the things around you. Sometimes, you may wonder about the things that happen in your surroundings. How and why do they happen? When you try to answer these questions, you are doing science. Science is the study of the world and everything in it. It is very important because it makes work and life easier. Look at the people in the pictures. How does science help them? 1. Science makes traveling easier, faster, and more comfortable. Imagine that your house is several kilometers away from schools, markets, churches, and malls. Will you walk to reach these places? What if there is an ocean between you and the place that you want to go to? Will you swim or fly? Thanks to science, people were able to invent cars, trains, ships, and airplanes to make traveling easier, faster, and more comfortable. Roads, bridges, and rails were also built through science. 2. Science makes work easier and faster to do. Imagine life without electricity. Electricity is a form of energy that powers light bulbs and other machines that we use every day. These machines include televisions, TVs, computers, refrigerators, and washing machines. All these things were created through science. When electricity was not discovered yet, people used only gas lanterns or candles as a source of light after dark. Because of this, people were not able to do work at night. Today, different types of electric bulbs allow people to work whenever and wherever they need. Not so long ago, people washed their clothes by using only their hands. Today, many people use washing machines to do their laundry. In the past, people had to cut and gather wood to build fires and cook meals. Nowadays, people use appliances like electric stoves and microwave ovens to prepare meals fast. 3. Science helps us communicate. How do you talk with your loved ones when they are away from home? How about with your classmates after school? In the past, people wrote and mailed letters to their loved ones and waited for weeks or months to receive replies. Today, people can communicate with anyone anywhere in the world in real time using mobile phones, computers, and the internet. People invented these devices through science. Other devices, like TVs and radios, also help people get news and important information, like those about typhoons and earthquakes, as soon as possible. 4. Science helps farmers grow food. In the past, farmers used only hand tools and animals to plow fields and grow plant products or crops. As a result, growing and harvesting crops took a lot of time. Because of science, farmers can now use tractors and other farm vehicles to plow fields. Farmers also use chemicals to protect their crops from diseases and pests. They use fertilizers to help their crops grow faster and bigger. They also use devices like drones to monitor their plants. 5. Science keeps us healthy. People fight diseases that endanger lives. Doctors, nurses, and other medical people cure the sick through science by studying how the body works. Scientists develop medicines to treat and prevent diseases like COVID-19 from worsening. They also discover and make vitamins to help people stay healthy and strong. 6. Science helps us explore the world and beyond. How do people explore oceans, mountains, volcanoes, and outer space? They use boats, ships, submarines, and diving tools to study bodies of water and the things in them. Scientists use seismographs to watch out for earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Seismographs produce seismograms, which are records of the ground shaking. Telescopes, spacecrafts, spacesuits, and robots let people study the moon, the sun, and planets. For example, the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope. All these tools and equipment were invented through science. 7. Science helps us understand the world we live in. Science helps us discover and develop devices that improve our daily lives. For example, through satellites, people can use the Global Positioning System, GPS, to find an object or place. GPS is usually installed in cars and mobile phones.